Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Thanks for joining me. What to do in Malibu. That's where we are today. And if I was in Malibu, I'd love to be visiting my own house. This $27 million mansion. It is a palace. We see these incredible palms as we come on in. Loving this red in the back here, standing out from the entrance. Lovely cement pavers here with stone surrounding. And just an incredible garden, to be quite honest. It welcomes us home. Look at these palm trees here. They're like the New Zealand punga tree, well, this part is, and how they've cut them back there. But it is just a palm there. Lots of different varieties and ferns and more. Lots of use of cement in a modern style home. And look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is simply superb. Agaves in the garden, some aloe veras, a beautiful lap pool, and an incredible outdoor area, indoor-outdoor flow. It's simply wonderful. Spa pool in here, lovely fire pit, fireplace area here, barbecue, gazebo, and more. Modern with timber. Look at the door flipping open here. Wowee, big pavers coming in, those incredible ferns and palms, and there's the indoor-outdoor flow. There's the money. There's the money there. The view and the indoor-outdoor flow from the lounge to the outdoor pool. That is the design masterpiece of this home. It is simply wonderful. Look at it. Aquarium here coming back in fashion again. They've been out of fashion for some time, but all coming back into fashion in mansions and modern homes now. This Malibu one is simply amazing. Look at that. Wide open spaces, dining area, breakfast bar area, huge fruit bowl there. And what an impressive home. Loving the light fixture as well. Beautiful droplets here. And then the sliding doors, or walls as I call them because they're massive. They're like walls. Island here. And a different colored stone finish on this one. We've got stainless dishwashers ×2. And we're looking around to a very contemporary and simplistic looking kitchen because that is the style that they would have wanted to fit into this home. The dining area opening up again, indoor-outdoor flow to the pool, making the house completely usable and quite impressive. There's the aquarium lighting up as well. And we see a very nice TV set with, is this a seat here? I think it is. It's a seat for when you're watching the game. Fair enough. Ever played a game of pool like that with the picture window like that looking at the Pacific Ocean? Malibu it is. There's the bar looking great as well. Love this gold bowl here. We've got a dishwasher there and more. Serving out to the pool. Heat lamps in the outdoor area as well. There's the master bedroom. Views out to balcony and more. Imagine sitting here. You've woken up. You're going to sit out here with your coffee this morning. Look out at the view and realize you don't even need to go downstairs. As long as you've got a coffee machine, of course, up there. Lovely flowers. Beautiful neutrals. Sunken bath here with views out to the Pacific Ocean. Very nice big shower as well. It's just an impressive home. Overall, it's just a total winner. Bit of mini golf there, bit of putting green for you. Near the ocean, why not? Gym's looking good too. Another landing for massages. And the movie theater, raised ceiling here, looking pretty Hawaii 5-0 in there. Guest bedroom and more outdoor shower to service the bath. Pretty nice too. Oh yeah, lit up pool. I like it. What's wrong with this house? Anything? I don't think so. I don't think there's anything wrong with it at all. Apart from that it's $27 million. That might be out of reach of a few people, but apart from that, it's pretty delicious. It is a superb home. Love showing you 11846 Ellis Street, Malibu, California 90265, 7 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, 10,348 square feet. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. It is a privilege and pleasure. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. See you on the next one. Bye for now.